teaching geometry to your standard. Now today we are going to start the first lesson, basic concepts in geometry. Basic concepts, all of you are learn till 8th standard, all of you are aware of the geometrical concepts, that is triangle, angles and all the other geometrical figures. But actually geometry starts from the point. So first, what is the meaning of point? Point is a dot made by a pointed object on the plane surface. Now our board is a plane surface. So if I am making a dot with the help of the chalk, this dot is called as a point. Now geometry starts from the point. So when we are joining so many innumerable points together, then a figure is formed. Different types of the figures are formed. In such figures, the first figure, straight line. Straight line is formed when we are joining so many innumerable points. So line is formed. So now what is the meaning of line? Just now I explained when we are joining so many points. So line is a set or union of many points, innumerable points, and line extend in both directions. Directions are shown by the arrow. In which direction the line is going, the arrow shows the direction. So line is nothing but a set or union of many infinite points. Line extend in both the directions. Directions are shown by the arrow. Similarly, line segment is also formed when the points are joining to each other. Difference between the line and the line segment. Line segment is again a set of innumerable points, but the difference is that in line segment we are having two end points, starting point and end point. So we can measure the distance between the 2 points. So line segments can be measured, but the line we cannot measure the line since the line is extending infinite distance. So this is the difference between the line and the line segment. Now on the basis of the line and line segment, this lesson is related. Now since we know that many points are present on the line, we can consider any point on the line. Now there are so many points present on the line. So now let's take some points on the line. Point A, point B and point C. All these, what is your observation? All these points are present on the line. So we can say that the points are collinear points. So what is the meaning of collinear point? The points which are present on the same line, they are called as collinear point. So between the collinear point we can measure the distance when we know the coordinates. Now what is the meaning of coordinate? Coordinate is nothing but the actual distance between the 2 points. So when we start the line, so the line extend in both the direction. Now let's consider the starting point, that is the origin. So here we can write down the origin represented by letter O and the number is 0. So we can say that O is the point and 0 is the coordinate for the representing O point. So O coordinate is 0. Line extend in both the direction. Now when we are writing 0, 0 divides the line into 2 parts. Right hand side and the left hand side. Right hand side and left hand side, both the sides the coordinates are same when we are equally measure the distance. For example, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now on the left hand side also the same 1, 2, 3, 4 only. But the coordinates are represented by the opposite sign, -1, -2, -3. But the distance is what? 0 to 1, 1 distance, 1 unit. 0 to 2, 2 unit on the right hand side. Same way on the left side also 0 to minus 1, the distance is 1 only, 1 unit. 0 to minus 2 distance is 2 only, 2 unit only. Only this minus sign represent the direction. So on right hand side the coordinates are positive, while the left hand side of the 0 the coordinates are negative. So when we are measuring the distance between the given points, that time we are considering the coordinates along with their sign. Now how to calculate the distance? All of you now understand the meaning of point, line and line segment. Depending upon all these concepts, now we are going to learn how to find out the distance between given points, any two points. Now we are going to learn how to calculate the distance between any two points present on the line. Here the line L is given. Some points are present on the line. All the points are collinear. They are present on the same line L, representing with their respective coordinates. O point coordinate is 0. A point coordinate is 1. B point coordinate is 2. C point coordinate is 3 and so on. Similarly, on the left hand side of the 0, point D is having coordinate minus 1, point E minus 2, point F minus 3 and so on. Now let's consider some points and calculating the distance. Now I want to calculate the distance between point A and point C. So I am writing here distance AC. In this way we are writing. This notation D we are representing distance. So if every time distance word we cannot write. So simple, D is represented by distance, and which point we are considering? A and C. So we are calculating distance between point A and point C. Now point A coordinate is 1, point C coordinate is 3. How to calculate? There are two ways to calculate the distance. Directly distance can be calculated. How we can calculate? What is our point? First point A. So put your finger on A. So this A is your starting point. So starting point is always what? 0. So this is 0, 1 and 2. So what is the distance? 2. So we can write down here 2. 2 unit. Unit can be anything, millimeter, centimeter, whatever. So here we are writing 2 unit. So this is the first way to calculate the distance between the point A and C, that is distance AC. Now, if you are not calculating like this, because some distances are very far,